Meaning of fibrinogen.
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 Fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a soluble plasma glycoprotein that plays a crucial role in the blood clotting process. When an injury occurs, fibrinogen is converted into fibrin, which forms a network of fibers that trap blood cells and platelets, forming a clot to stop the bleeding. Elevated levels of fibrinogen in the blood can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, such as stroke and heart attack. Additionally, fibrinogen is commonly used as a biomarker for inflammation and can be used to monitor a variety of conditions, including sepsis, arthritis, and cancer.